We're going to take a look at just basic probability using a deck of cards, and on the right you can see a graphic that shows you all 52 cards that are in a deck. You could refer to this in your book, or you could refer to it here just to help you out when we talk about these problems. So the event is I'm just going to draw a card out of a deck of cards. So draw one card, that's the event. The total number of outcomes in that event is there are 52 different things that could happen here. 52 different cards that I could draw. So we have to remember that when we're calculating probability and we're trying to write a fraction, in this case the total number of outcomes is 52. That's how many things are possible. So what's the probability that I get the ace of hearts? The probability that I get the ace of hearts. Well, I need to find how many ace of hearts are there, and there is only one ace of hearts in the whole deck. So the probability would be 1, there's only one of them, out of 52 total. So my answer would be 1 over 52, 1 out of 52. Okay, what if I want to find the probability of getting a queen? The probability that I get a queen, now I need to realize there are actually 4 queens in the deck. So there are 4 queens and there are 52 cards total, so I would be looking at a probability of 4 out of 52. Now there are 4 queens out of 52. Some people like to leave the 4 over 52 because it shows 4 cards out of 52 cards. It could also be reduced. This problem would reduce to 1 out of 13. All right, what if we were asked what's the probability that we get a black card? Now we would be looking at how many black cards are there in the deck. And actually when you look at black cards, that's all of these. And that is half, by the way, so you could already say that it's 1 out of 2, or 1/2. But there are 26 black cards, and there are 52 total, so our answer would be 26 black cards out of 52 total. Now, of course, in math, that fraction reduces to 1 out of 2. You have a 1/2 chance of getting a black card. How about getting a diamond? What if I'm looking at what's the probability that I get a diamond? Okay, well, diamonds are located right here, down this column, and there are 13 of them. If you count them all, there are 13 of them. So the probability of getting a diamond would be 13 diamonds out of 52 total cards. 13 out of 52. Again, there are 13 cards out of 52. Or you could take a look at it and say, hey, you know what, there is diamonds, there's 1 suit out of 4 suits, which is 1 out of 4, and that's exactly what you would get here if you reduce 13 over 52.